We begin this evening with an update on Jamaican students in Ukraine. According to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, the 22 students are en route to Poland. So far, 3 students are also traveling from Kyiv to Lviv, and one has already arrived in that town. Minister of Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade, Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith, who is currently off the island, provided the update in a voice note earlier this evening.
These are, of course, challenging times, and we recognize that the route to the border of Poland may not be a smooth one. As stated before, they're on their way to Lviv, which is a town in Ukraine, and then they will move from Lviv, changing transportation, move from Lviv to the border of Poland. We continue to hope for, pray for, and work towards their safe passage and earliest repatriation, and appreciate the support of our partners, all our partners, as we seek the best possible outcomes for our students.
Now, the minister says all is in place to ensure the students arrive safely in Poland.
I am confirming that we have contacted the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Poland, and we have obtained their assurance regarding the allowance of entry of our nationals when they arrive at the border. We've arranged for them to be met there so that they can receive guidance and assistance on our behalf when they arrive. We will book and purchase their tickets for travel back to Jamaica.
Now, earlier today, the Jamaican students were forced back on the ground following an explosion close to the train station. The students said they waited in the cold for trains with hundreds of other people for 4 hours. However, the explosion resulted in a stampede and they were forced to flee to bunkers. Here's what one person who's been trying to leave told the CNN.
Most people, they just didn't have the tickets, so they just stormed the train. It was almost like a stampede. People were trying to get inside no matter what. Nobody was actually checking tickets because, obviously most people didn't have any tickets.
It was chaos.
It was chaos. It was chaos. It was a lot of people pushing around, but people run to escape, run for their lives. So I don't blame them.